In this video, I will show you a simple way to improve your photos for dating apps like Tinder, BADOO, and similar platforms using AI. The goal is not to become a completely different person. The goal is to present yourself in the best possible way while still looking like you in real life. Start by choosing a photo where your face is clearly visible. Then open an AI tool such as ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or any other platform that supports image editing. Upload your photo and use a detailed prompt that explains exactly what you want changed. For example, you can ask the AI to improve lighting, enhance image quality, clean up your hairstyle slightly, give you a more casual outfit, and place you in a nicer environment with a softly blurred background. You can even create a second version showing you doing a sport or hobby that genuinely interests you. The more specific your instructions are, the better the result usually becomes. However, there is one important rule: do not exaggerate. If you do not own a luxury sports car, do not suddenly place one in the background. If you are not extremely muscular, do not turn yourself into a fitness model. Remember that sooner or later you may meet someone in person, and realistic photos always work better than fake ones. AI should help improve your presentation, not create a completely fictional character. Used correctly, these tools can make your photos look cleaner, more professional, and more attractive while still keeping you recognizable and authentic. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.